Instagram, the price you're paying for free. Instagram, the app we use to share cute cat pics and follow influencers. Seems like it's a no strings attached deal. But like many things in life, there's no such thing as a free lunch. You might not be paying cash, but your data and attention are the real currency. Hidden costs. Data collection on steroids. Instagram is owned by Meta. Facebook, we talked about them before, and they're in the business of collecting a lot of data. Here's what Instagram hoards while you scroll through your feed. Personal details, basic stuff like your name, email, birthday, and location. Interaction data. Every like, comment, and follow helps Instagram create a hyper-detailed profile about what you're into. Device info. Instagram even logs what kind of phone you're using, your battery level, and your internet connection strength. All of this data gets fed into Instagram's algorithms. And what do you get in return? Targeted ads, my friend. Targeted ads, the real cost of your scroll time. Let's talk about those ads that seem to magically match your latest interests. Ever notice how after liking a few fitness posts, suddenly you're seeing ads for protein shakes or yoga mats? That's Instagram's targeting system at work. Instagram's real customers are advertisers, not you. They're willing to pay Instagram big money to get your ads in front of the right audience, and your data makes it easier for them to hit the bullseye. In exchange for free use of the app, you get personalized ads that sometimes feel eerily spot on. Profit mechanism, how Instagram cashes in. So, how does Instagram turn your free account into billions in profit? It's all about advertising revenue. Targeted ads. Advertisers bid to get their content shown in specific user groups based on interests, behaviors, and location. The more Instagram knows about you, the more advertisers pay for access to your eyes. In-app shopping. Instagram has upped its game by allowing businesses to sell directly through their app. Ever bought something after tapping on an ad in your feed? Instagram takes a cut of that sale. It's basically turning your scrolls into shopping sprees. Instagram keeps you glued to your feed because the longer you scroll, the more ads you see and the more money they make. Simple as that. So, is Instagram truly free? Not quite. While there's no direct cost to you, Instagram profits by collecting your data and monetizing your attention. In essence, you're paying with your privacy and time, and Instagram is converting that into cash through advertising. Remember that the next time you're tapping through stories or scrolling endlessly. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, your data and attention are the products Instagram sells. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.